Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix metal.tv black screen problems. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so there's a few different fixes for this. So fix number one is to start metal.tv as admin. So right click onto it and then click on run as administrator, click yes. Fix number two is to completely close metal.tv from the taskbar. So right click it, close window, and then go ahead and relaunch Metal. And also close any conflicting programs. So apps like Discord, OBS, NVIDIA Shadowplay, Razer Synapses, etc. may cause issues. So just close any background apps and start and see if you can clip Metal and see if that fixes your black screen issue. Another fix we can try is hit the Windows and R key on our keyboard and then type in app data Metal, then click OK, and then clear all their cache or the cache inside of here. So click on cache, and now just go ahead and delete that. And also come back here and code cache, just go ahead and click and delete all that as well. Alright, so now let's go ahead and play around some settings inside of metal.tv. So open it up and then click onto the gear icon, click into settings. Alright, from here, click onto screen recording. And under screen recording, where it says monitor selection, make sure you've got the right display when you're clipping. So if you're playing on, if you've got multiple monitors like myself, so make sure it's set to the primary one where you play your games. Another fix, what we can do is click onto quality tab. And now if you're using higher quality or custom quality, just drop it back a notch. So if you do a custom with high FPS and all that stuff, just click on high quality. If you're using high quality, go back down to standard. And now if all else fails, just go ahead and reinstall Metal. So completely uninstall it from your computer and then reinstall it, then restart your computer.